level 4. 92%, 94% and 100% for the three subjects, English, mathematics and science. You see it on the screen at Gateway. Whereas in England it's 81%, 78% and 88%. I would also show you that level 5, our percentages are, level 5 is the highest possible level at this stage. 45% have got level 5, whereas 29% have got level 5 in England. Mathematics 40%, we have got 31% is the national norm in England. And science 72%. 72% of our students have got level 5, the highest possible level, whereas it's 44% in the UK. %100% have achieved the required level in science. All our students, 100% of them have achieved the level required at that level. I congratulate Mrs. Sunima Jayasekara and Ms. Irodini Gunatilaka for hard work done. Plus all the other teachers. The comparison of figures for level 5, the highest possible level, shows that our students have outperformed students in England in all three subjects. Although I mentioned that the names of the science teachers. Dear parents, in my report in 2007, last year, I showed how we were catching up. That's the word I used, catching up in English. Because I said English is not the mother tongue of our children. England, the national averages in England were slightly higher. Last year we caught up, we were just marginally above the level in England. I said that this was the direct result of identification and usage of the correct strategies by our teachers. The following chart will prove beyond any reasonable doubt that we have conquered our limitation of being a school in a non-English speaking country and outperformed the native speakers of the language in their own bastion. Percentages, you see in 2003 we had just about 12% reaching level 5, the highest level. And it went up to about 12%, 13% in 2004, is about 26% in 2005. In 2006 it went out to about 30%. In 2007 we just caught up with the national averages with around 33%, and this year it's 45%. 45%, nearly half our children have reached the highest possible level in English at Key Stage 2. I congratulate. I will fail in my duty if I do not pay a tribute to Ms. Nirmalani Ekanayaka, Head of Department of Humanities in the primary, assisted by Ms. Mala Lienege, for initiating a series of new methodologies and strategies in teaching English in these classes. Now I go to Key Stage 3. The following chart will show once again that our students' performance at Key Stage 3 in all three subjects is far ahead of the performance of students in England. You will see that if you study the slides that I'm showing you, you will see the level 6. In fact, level 5 or 6 is the level of achievement that is required at this level. But our students have got 63%, 91% and 73% for English, mathematics and science at this level. Level 7 is the highest possible in English as well as science. And only for mathematics we have a higher level, level 8. If you compare level 8, achievement of level 8 in mathematics, we have 29% of our students compared to only 9% in England achieving level 8 in mathematics. Our parents are aware that the expected level at Key Stage 3 is level 5 or 6, as I told you. You have also read or heard Education is in Sri Lanka, especially the Commissioner General of Examinations, lamenting at the extremely poor performance of students in the subject mathematics at the Year 5 scholarship examination as well as at the GC O-level examination. With pride, I draw your attention to the performance of our students in mathematics at Key Stage 3, where 91% of the cohort achieved the required level or above. 91% achieved the required level. Nearly one-third achieved the highest possible level, that is level 8. In comparison, only 1/10 of the students in England achieved this level. My gratitude and appreciation to the teachers once again for an excellent job done in all 3 subjects. IGCSE. The charts show you the percentage of A and above. A and above because there is an A star in IGCSE, but there is only the highest grade in O levels is A. We are doing 2 subjects at O levels, and we are doing some subjects at GCSE as well. You will see the percentage passes. Except in 3 subjects, we have achieved a near 100% pass rate at IGCSE examination in 2008. Edexcel International has informed us that our student Kavindu DS is in the most prestigious world's top 10 in information and communication technology at the IGCSE examination in 2008. Yashodhara Gunawardena is within the world's top 10 in Sinhala. Although it is not apparent in these charts, what I am showing you now, since it is the combined percentage for each subject that is shown, I have with me a further analysis how student cohorts fared. I am proud to mention that in year 11A, I am talking now about a particular class, in year 11A, 94% students achieved A star in chemistry. A star. The highest possible. Thank you, Ms. Upeka Veerasinghe, for this incredible feat. In the same class, 87% achieved A star and 100% achieved A or A star in physics. Thank you, Mr. Rufus De Silva, for this sterling performance. AS, Advanced Subsidiary Level Examination. You will see the percentages of our students, percentage A grades as well as percentage passes in all the subjects. 11 of our students achieved A grades in all their subjects at advanced subsidiary level. Advanced level. Once again I show you the advanced level percentages. 13 students achieved straight A's in all their subjects at the GCE Advanced Level Examination in June 2008. We are informed by Edexcel International that our former head girl Nipuni Fernando and Ruvini Silva are both within the world's top 10 in accounting at the GCE Advanced Level 2008. I salute the teachers who sacrificed their holidays in the interest of the students and conducted extra classes. In particular, I like to congratulate Mr. Rasika Jayasinghe Arachi, who obtained 90% A grades in pure mathematics at advanced level. Edexcel Awards. Students of Gateway College received many awards at the Edexcel Awards ceremony in 2007. Muhammad Adil Niyaz was honored for being the second highest in the whole world in the subject ICT. At IGCSE, he was also the 4th highest in the world in geography at the same examination.